You never know who or what may be at the door these days. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to let you see who's knocking, but it has been capturing so much more. People have been sharing some entertaining animal antics, everything from moose mischief to bathing bears. This dog uses his tongue to ring the doorbell as his furry four-legged friend stands innocently by, but his owner is onto him.
You were licking it. I saw you.
This daring duo falling from the roof lands safely. But sometimes things get a little scary. This frightened woman scales a column when a ferocious feline crosses her path,
Help me!
before realizing this kitty is actually friendly. Sometimes sightings are from a distance, like these ducklings falling in line. Safer that way in the case of this bear. Don't forget to lock your car door.
Mom! Hey, chill.
This Utah man gets an unusual guest.
Yo, leave me alone, bro. Go.
In Alaska, a mama moose helps herself to a drink. On this court, the birds call the shot. So the next time you hear the doorbell, don't be surprised if it's not who you expect. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Beth Genn.